Morning student, how are you all? Hope you all are good. So student, as you know, your exam will start from 1 October. So whatever we had learned in our previous classes 1 to 5th unit, okay, so it will come complete in your exams. So read everything well, and if there is a problem anywhere, so you can WhatsApp me. Okay, so nothing as extra will come, so don't take tension. Okay, so all the best for your exams. So today we will learn page number 30. Page number 30, practice set 6.1. Okay, practice set 6.1. So first one is here. First question, factorize. Factorize. Okay, we will do first question. First question is here, x square plus 9x plus 18. Okay, so we will see here 18. So first we will find the factor of 18. So factor of 18 means when we will multiply, so we got 18. When we will multiply two numbers, so we got 18, and when we will add and subtract these two numbers, so we get 9. ओके, जब हम मल्टीप्लाई करें उन दो नंबर्स को, सो हमको 18 मिले, एंड जब भी हम उसको प्लस और माइनस करें, सो वी गॉट 9. सो वी विल सी हियर 6 multiply 3, 6 3s are 18, and when we will add these 6 or 3, so we got 9. So we will write here x square plus 9x की जगह 6x plus 3x. Why 6x plus 3x we will write here? Because 6 and 3, when we will add these two numbers, so we got 9. So we can write 6x plus 3x here. Now 18 as it is. So we will common here, first we will common here x. Okay, x. So x by x we will take here, because when we will multiply these both x, so we got x square. Now we will put here plus sign, and x 6 x 6x, and we will put here 3. Why 3? When we will multiply 3 to this x, so we got 3x, and when we will multiply 3 to 6, so 3 6 are 18. Now we will put these common, these two group means these two pair, so we will common, we can take this two common. Okay, and 6 plus 3 as it is. So this is our answer. Okay, जो दो पेयर हैं हम उसमें से एक को कॉमन ले लेंगे, एंड x plus 3. Okay, so this is our answer. Now we will take number 3. Okay, second as it is here, so we will take here third one. So third one is y square plus 24y and plus 144. Okay, so here is 144. So first we will find the factor of 144. 144 का factor, when we will multiply two numbers, so we got 144, and when we will add और subtract two numbers, so we got 24. हमको ऐसे दो numbers चाहिए हैं जिनको हम multiply करें तो 144 आया, and जिनको हम subtract और add करें, so we got 24 here. So we will take here 12 12s are 144, and when we will add these 12, so we got 24. So we will put here 12y square and plus 24y के लिए 12y plus 12y plus 144 as it is. Now we will common y here. Now we will put here y is a y square, y 12 is a 12y. So we will put here y y 12 multiplication y, so we got 12y, and we will multiply 12, so we got 144. So we will common y plus 12. Now y plus 12. Okay, so this is our answer. Clear? Okay, understood? So it is very easy, you can do it easily. Now we will do question number 4. Question number 4 is 5y square plus 5y minus 10. Okay, so here we will see, here is 5 and here is also 5. Okay, and here is 10. So these three are divisible by 5. So we can common 5 here. Okay, हम कॉमन ले सकते हैं 5 को. नाउ अगर हमने इसको कॉमन लिया, सो वी हैव ओनली वाई स्क्वायर. ओके, हमने इसको कॉमन लिया तो हमारे पास बचा वाई स्क्वायर प्लस वाई माइनस 2, वाई 2 एंड वाई स्क्वायर प्लस वाई. सो अगर हम इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे वाई मल्टीप्लाई वाई स्क्वायर, सो 5y आएगा. अगर y का मल्टीप्लाई 5 का मल्टीप्लिकेशन y से करेंगे तो 5y, एंड वी विल मल्टीप्लाई 5 मल्टीप्लाई 2, सो वी गॉट 10. सो हम 5 को ऐसे कॉमन ले सकते हैं. नाउ हियर इज 2, सो वी विल फाइंड द फैक्टर ऑफ 2. So when we will multiply two numbers, so we got 2, and when we will add or subtract two numbers, so we got 1, because there is nothing, so we will assume here is 1. Okay, so it is कौन सा हो सकता है 2 plus 1, sorry 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1 हो सकता है. Okay, so we will put here y square. Now y की जगह हम लिखेंगे plus 2 minus 1 minus 2y माइनस y को हम ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, क्योंकि अगर इसके सामने कुछ नहीं है, सो वी विल अज्यूम हियर इज 1. ओके, नाउ अब हम y को कॉमन लेंगे. ओके, नाउ वी विल कॉमन y, so y square, so we will put here only y, and y plus y 2 is 2y minus minus 1, we will take here minus 1, and we will put here y, 1 y is y, so we will put here plus sign, plus minus minus. Now 1 2 is 2, so we will put here 2. Okay, now we have y plus 2 and y minus 1. Okay, now this is our answer. Okay, so this is our fourth one. Now we will, all questions are same, so we will take here 11 one. Okay, we will take here 11 one. हम इसमें 11 1 करेंगे. You can write these questions on a notebook. So 11th है 20x square minus 26x plus 8. Okay, so here is 20, here is 26, and here is 8. So so these all are divisible by 2. These all are divisible by 2. So we will common here 2. We can common 2. Okay, so 2 ones are 2 and 2 zeros are 0. X square as it is, and we will put here minus sign. Now 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. Okay, so here is 4, so we will find the factor of 4. So 4 का फैक्टर हम निकालेंगे. सो ऐसे टू नंबर्स, सो जिसमें मल्टीप्लिकेशन करने पर 4 आए एंड प्लस और माइनस करने पर 13 आए. सो फर्स्ट वी विल see here is 10 and here is 4. So we will multiply 10 multiplication 4. So we got 40 here. Now we will find the factor of 40. Okay, so 40 का फैक्टर निकालेंगे तो ऐसा फैक्टर निकालेंगे जिसमें मल्टीप्लिकेशन करने पर 40 एंड प्लस और माइनस करने पर 13 है. सो 8 और 5, then we will 8 5s are 40 and 8 plus 5 is 13. So 2 10x square and minus 8x minus 5x plus 4. Okay, now इसमें हम कॉमन क्या लेंगे. 5x 2x सॉरी 2x 2x. सो 2x का मल्टीप्लिकेशन अगर अंदर होगा तो 2 5s are 10 एंड x 5 x स्क्वायर ही होगा. सो इसलिए हम इसमें x लगाएंगे. नाउ 2 4s are 8. ओके, फिर माइनस and we will put here x only and x का मल्टीप्लिकेशन 5 से होगा तो 5 sorry only 1. We will put here only 1 का मल्टीप्लिकेशन 5x से होगा. सो 1 5x का 5x. Now we will put here plus sign and 1 4s are 4 plus नहीं minus plus. Now here we will see 5x minus 4 5x minus 4. We can common this equation and 2x minus 1 2x minus 1. Now it is our answer. Clear? ओके, पहले तो हमने इसको मल्टीप्लिकेशन करते हैं. 10 multiply 4, we when we will multiply 10 multiplication 4, so we got 40 here. Now we will find the factor of 40. So we got 8 and 5. Okay, when we will add 8 plus 5, so we got 13. So we will write here 8x minus 5x. Okay, so this is our answer. So student, practice set 6.1 is completed. Now we will do our practice set 6.2 in our next class. Thank you so much.